All right, sixth graders, some of you may be wondering why we need to know integers, and the answer is, well, we use them all the time. So I'm going to talk about some situations, and I want you to think about them in terms of integers. So I'm just going to go ahead and number my paper to 10. 1, skipping a line, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That way we can give you 10 good examples and you will do swell on your homework. It is a bit of a puzzle. You're going to move things around, but I will read the directions after we go over some of these real life integers. So a $60 withdrawal. So if you take out $60 from your account, is your account losing money or gaining money? It's losing money, right? So you would model that with a negative 60. 7 strokes below par. Any of you guys golfers? So if you're 7 strokes below something, that would be negative 7. It is a good thing to be 7 strokes below par. So you might think that's a positive thing, but in golf you want it to be the lowest you can. 19 feet below the surface. Go ahead and try that one on your own. What did you get? You should have gotten negative 19. That below gave it away, didn't it? How about a $180 profit? Profit means something you gained. What do you think? Yep, so you would be adding 180. It'll be a positive 180. So I don't necessarily have to write the plus there. I'm just doing it for myself. Laying off 20 workers. Holy cow. So if you started with a certain number of workers and you're laying off 20, those workers are being taken away from your employee base, right? There's a lot of negatives going on here, isn't there? How about a 4-yard loss? What do you think? That loss suggests something is being taken away, so you're going back 4 yards. A $5 delivery fee. What do you guys think? Even though you are paying that, that is being added onto your cost, right? So these are going to require you to do some thinking today. Ascending. Does anybody know what ascending means? It means to go up or to become greater. So ascending 800 feet. If you're going up, you guessed it, it's a positive 800. So you can show it with or without the plus sign. Both mean positive, right? 2 more. You try these last 2. Draining 6 inches from a tank. What do you think? And an elevation of 200 feet. Alright, so what are our clue words in number 9? Draining, right? That means it's going down, so we would write a, what'd you guys get? -6. Awesome sauce. And an elevation, that is the height of something like a mountain. If the elevation is 200 feet, we know we would go up to that, right? So it's a positive 200. Did you guys get those last two? All right, so today on your puzzle, you're going to move these cubes around so that you are matching each real life situation on one square side to its integer representation on another square. So you'll need to move around the squares to match them with the correct answer. If a square has a blank side, that side does not have a match. Ignore the letters in the center of the squares for now, and you will see that you'll have a secret message to read when you are all done, okay? So you're going to move these squares around. So if it doesn't have anything on it, there is no match to that. So I would give you the clue that that's probably an edge piece of your puzzle, okay? But your puzzle is going to be the same 4 by 4. It's just going to be moved around. Alright, so try and match up the real life situation on one square with its integer representation like we did here. So this would be an integer representation of a $60 withdrawal. Alright, don't forget the quick form when you're done, and have fun on this homework. Turn it in when you're done. Stay on top of it, guys. Day 2 of second marking period.